What is going on? Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter Gang. Bitcoin is dumping. What is going on? We got 3 viewers in here. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget to hit up that chat. Hit us up in the Discord. What's going on? Taking a look at Bitcoin. Hope you're all doing well. Now, we're going to jump into it. We have some things to talk about, okay? If printing money would end poverty, then printing diplomas would end stupidity. T-Shroom on Discord posted this. I'm laughing, man. This is good. We are currently in a short. Given on yesterday's morning stream, I said we're at 825. We laddered in. I said I'm laddering in. We got in at 790. We're making bank, okay? We winning. We winning. So if you want to be winning, make sure to like and subscribe and join us in the free Discord, and you catch all the trades with us, man. I mean, it was right there. Right there. So we got some cool otter pictures. Otter monks. So this is how we stay zen while trading. The community is just great. Now you can see we're rolling over now on Bitcoin. And it's Friday, baby. It's Friday. I got in a big mug of coffee this time. I'm learning from yesterday. Yesterday we had a small mug. We drank it all, and then we called Mrs. Otter on the phone. Hopefully she would bring us coffee. But you can't just depend on Mrs. Otter to bring you coffee in the morning, okay? Sometimes you got to do it yourself. Okay? So Mrs. Otter came through. Also, we were doing some art yesterday. Let me see if I can find this. Okay, we were doing some art yesterday with the backgrounds. Okay, we got the background. We're currently having an idea of what background should we use. So we have gotten Sniper's Nightmares van mixed with Sniper's Nightmares otter picture that has created this. Okay, I got into I got into it yesterday with these two images. I spent way too much time on this doing some. Oh, there's Sniper in his van, so we're gonna hang out with Sniper in his van today. Oh, he's got that big ass BFG, the BFG. Okay, so maybe we just hang out in the van with Sniper and make some good trades, like Sniper always seems to have. He's got the eye on the alt market. Okay, just like us, we're gonna have the eye on the Bitcoin today, so we can see that we're curling over. We've dropped below the value area high back into this range. Very big rejection. Now, what is cool is that you could simply trade support and resistance and divergences and make bank recently. Okay, this is what's cool. So we got a lower low, and we got a higher high. Okay, look at that. There you go. There's your entry. If you're up at 5 in the morning, there was your entry on this wick, the tall tail here of the bearish divergence. Money flow curving to the upside. Look, it's curving. It curved up, came back up, curved downwards. Oh, there's your entry. Boom. Drop it on people's heads, okay? So, if support and resistance, bearish divergence, higher high, lower low. Very easy, but yet effective. Now look at that. Beautiful move. Beautiful move. Now let's go over to this one. Okay, yesterday price was pumping on us. We're all like, oh, it's going to go to 27.2. Okay, 27.2 was the target. 2700. Even Piper came in here. And Piper from Investment Bros called this area here. We're dumping even more right now. This is nasty. This is nasty. It's all right. We're in a short. Let it ride out. Our next take profit's down at the point of control down here, so we'll just be patient. We'll be patient. We'll talk about yesterday too. Okay? And don't forget to click on the poll. We got, what superpower do you want? Would you want to be super strong? Would you want to be invisible? We didn't put flying in there because flying's just not fair. Everybody's going to choose flying. Okay? Everybody wants to fly. Everybody wants to fly. Nunya's in the chat. Ride that tail. Do you want the otter swimming abilities, or do you want to be able to shoot spaghetti out of your fingertips? French Toaster in the chat. Hola to you, my friend. Thank you so much for dropping by, French Toaster. Much love to you. Now, we're just talking about Bitcoin, how we're dumping right now, how we could have caught this bearish divergence. If you're up at 5 a.m., dropping down. You want super strength. Well, that would be cool, wouldn't it? Hold my beer. Watch me. Oh, you got to do moving day today? Okay, watch me pick up the couch. How strong is super strength, though? That is the question. Is super strength like I can curl an airplane, or super strength like, maybe 2x stronger, 2x. Your bench goes from, 150 to 300. That would be pretty cool even. Anything. As a carpenter in construction, if I had 2x strength, I'd just plow through people. Imagine hitting a nail with a hammer. You could flick the nail into the wood. Hata! Or you just throw it. Hata! I don't know where the hata is coming from. But relative strength of an ant. Can't they lift 10x their body weight? They on some next level stuff, man. They on some next level stuff. 10 okay. We got a lot of people wanting to be invisible. This is scary, man. You guys want to be invisible? I mean, who are you pranking first? Is it the mom? Is it your friends? Or are you just going out into the neighborhood? You're just causing trouble. As soon as you realize you can do it, bang, invisible. You're going out into the neighborhood, going for a walk, opening up doors and stuff. Oh man, too funny. Hold the weight of the world. What's that Chuck Norris joke? Chuck Norris doesn't do push-ups. He does world downs. We're just world downs, baby. World. Oh no, we're gonna showers. Get out of here, guys. You guys are funny, man. You guys are funny. Keep it PG. Keep it PG, man. What about Bitcoin, man? I like spaghetti a lot. I could just see French Toaster with his finger just chewing on his finger all day. That's from I think that's from Dane Cook. Who just shoot spaghetti out of his fingertips. Walk up to someone and just be like, classic. He also talks about being able to shoot lasers out of his cock, so we won't go there either. I think I didn't click this is not for kids. Anyways. So Bitcoin's dumping. Oh man, you guys are crazy. Probably new people are here like, what the fuck's this guy talking about? He's on some fucking bullshit today, man. It's Friday, baby. So yesterday we came up, we wicked up here, right? And everybody and their brother's like, oh, we missed the move. Wow, wow. And I'm like, just be patient, man. Just be patient. It's going to come. And guess what? It came, okay? It came. It came and delivered. Signed, sealed, delivered. And we got in on a short up here. We are currently still in this short, okay? We are in this short. We protected ourselves to the upside. We have taken profit twice. We are winning right now. We just took profit. I couldn't resist. I took profit at 69% because that's how we roll, man. That's how we roll. It just happened to be right down there. 26,790 entry point. I laddered in. Okay, the given entry was 825 or 822 on the Discord. Okay, we filled it down here so far. That's not completely filled yet. We still got more to move. Okay, so right now we are moving downwards. Okay, it's Friday. This is kind of like set it back into motion. My idea is that we're going to come back down to this point of control. We've gotten acceptance into the range just now. Actually, we were getting rejected from before overnight, but we just got acceptance back into the range. Now, do we get a bounce from here? We'll wait and see. So we took the short from here. Up here, 825 was given. That would have been a nice entry, right? 825, yes, it would have. So that was given in advance. You could have taken it from here. Could have taken it from here. But sometimes you grab the trade from here, you pay yourself, and then you get all scared when it comes back up here, right? That's natural. That's natural. Natural, like the milk. So got into the trade up here, rode that down, took profit once, taken profit twice, okay? I did not re-enter because I was asleep. But the entry was given again this morning, okay? So we're going to continue to hunt. We are given this two beautiful bear div, okay? Rolled over on us. Rolled over is a nice waterfall here. We got a nice waterfall. And now we're looking to continue to the downside. Now a nice retest of the value area high would be cool. That would be cool. We'll wait and see. We got some ideas, okay? We got some ideas for you guys. We're going to take a look at Market Cipher, what's in store for us for this weekend, and how we look for this to play out. So let's go over to the weekly. Let's see what the weekly's doing. Because September is supposed to be the bearish month of the world. So we'll look at the weekly. We'll hide some of this stuff because we don't want to see all of this stuff, right? We know the bear case. Do I have to go over the bear case again? The bear case is this. Let's just do it quickly for anybody who's new. We got the bear case. If we drop below here, okay, this must hold. We got these levels. Make sure to add these levels to your chart below us. If we do fall down, which we're far away from it now. If we're looking for the retrace up back to 27K right now, okay? We're close. But if we fall below, we got some key levels to where we find support, okay? Otherwise, we look for this to continue its way up on its merry way, okay? But right now, we got some key levels below us. So make sure to add these just so you have them in your back pocket in case we drop, okay? They're gone now. They're gone, okay? POC is at 2650. Look for bull divs in that area to put in along. That's the idea. You're bang on there, my friend. You're bang on there. You're bang on there. Point of control golden pocket too, man. Golden pocket's just above there. So we'll talk about that as we flip through here. So let's see what we can find on these beautiful, beautiful time frames. Now, we still got a lot of room on the 3-day. That's the one thing that's concerning me, is that we got a lot of room on the 3-day. VWAP's crossed over here. And we could possibly see this curl up here if we continue its way up. You can see VWAP. The posturing on the VWAP is kind of leading the way here. And we have the clear momentum wave to the upside. So we got room here to move. We want to see the money flow switch course, okay? So it's at 13 right now. You can see on the side, 13. We want to see it get to around 10. If we see that in the next bit, then we can definitely look for some more upside, okay? This is the one thing that's kind of pushing me that way. We got 11 hours. So this one will be printing soon on Saturday. So it's coming to fruition for the next idea here. Darren does things in the chat. What's up, brother? DDT, man. How's it going, bro? Good to see you. Good to see you. Good to see you. Okay, now flipping through. On the 2-day here, this one also is baked in at 11 hours. We got another green dot, okay? Posturing to the upside, and we are still oversold. So there's room here on the 2-day and the 3-day for us to come up and attack this zero line with the momentum waves, to curl over with the money flow and push up. Look at all this posturing. It's all pushing upwards, okay? So we need to be very cautious here in these long-term time frames. It is definitely weekend volume coming our way, so we need to be protecting ourselves, okay? Meaning it's going to be sideways and choppy, okay? Now the daily is what I don't like, okay? The daily here, let me get VWAP off of here. The daily here is very mishmashed. I'm trying to find my words here. Where we got declined here. Okay, we got declined here. your insufficient funds is here. And we could be looking to come down, okay? Money flow is still very red on this. And we can see there is a bit of a trend line here. There is a bit of a trend line. It's hard to say here. It's hard to say. We want to see this get a little bit higher. We would like to see this get a little bit higher. We could say that we're breaking out. So we want to see this get a little bit higher. I want to know what Darren Does Things. What superpower do you want, Darren Does Things? Let me know in the chat. DDT, you're going for that invisibility, you dirty boy. Okay. Making our way through the charts here. Market Cipher B. So when we get into the 16, the 12, this is where it starts to look bearish, okay? For me. You go for the spaghetti fingers, my man. Salute to that. Okay. Darren just drowning people in spaghetti. So the VWAP here is attacking the 0 line. This is where we look for the switch, where if we cross over here, money flow is going to continue with the VWAP. The VWAP will lead the way. Money flow will come with it. We got room here for red dot where we can look for it to curl over too. Okay, so there is opportunity here on the 12-hour and the 16 for it to curl over. We're in the halfway mark too for the stochastics. Okay, so the stochastics is here. Stochastics, it oscillates in here. Okay, so we can see it's come up to the halfway point. The posturing is to the downside. Okay, so we want to wait and see. But for me right now, it does look a little bit bearish for the day. So let's go over to the 8. The 8's starting to print a red dot. Stochastic overbought, pointing downwards. Okay, so very similar thing. 0 line being attacked by the VWAP. So here's the tall tail, right? So we've come up to a key level of support and resistance. Now we're on the 6 hour. So let's go over the 4 hour. 4 hours is a nice general idea of this range. And I already drink like an otter. Why not swim too? Slam Banjo. What's going on, my man? Thank you for being here. Slam Jam. Thank you, ma'am. Banjos in the chat. Look at this. Rejection off of golden pocket. Okay, so that's one thing. Is we need to get above this area. Everybody and their brother is saying we're going to get rejected here. Okay, so area above. Make sure to mark out this area above, right around our rejection zone. Everybody and their brother was looking for this area for us to get rejected and continue downwards. Okay, it did not happen. Okay, it did not happen. We came very close. Very close. That doesn't mean that this doesn't retrace and continue. Okay, it just means that we've been rejected so far. Okay, that's your 1 fib area. Okay, next. Second fib area. Oh, is it from here? No, let's pull it from here. Was it from here? I pulled it this morning. Let's pull these across first. Let's turn on the lights. Do 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 do. Ba-do ba-do. Okay, the lights are on. I don't know why these are red. Let's get rid of the red lines. We got overlappingness here. This is no good. Got to keep the charts clean. Clean mean we were looking for this yesterday, that 2764 area. We did not get there. So this is how it lays, right? We pull the volume across. We got the range. We are getting acceptance below the value area high. Okay, so acceptance back into this dreaded range. We're getting acceptance back in. That means we naturally want to go for the point of control. Okay, that doesn't mean we go there right away. That means if we get weekend volume, I see us chopping like the chopper. back into it. My boss makes $1, I make a dime. That's why I plop on company time. Plop. None of your business. Man, we have some people here who just want to be invisible. So we have the key level of resistance. Gotta bounce. Catch you later. Later, DDT. Much love to you, bro. Have a good day, man. God bless. Have a good weekend. All that good stuff. So we want to see acceptance back into this range. Work our way back down. We had a massive push up, okay? We got the confirmed red dot on the 4-hour. Stochastics pointing down. VWAPs crossed over, okay? So this is what we're looking for, continuation on the higher term time frames. As we flip through, we're looking for the same thing. Red dot printing, pushing through to the downside. Money flow staying in the red, okay? So that's what we're looking for the short-term time frame right now, right? Our trade setups, we'll get into those very shortly. Make sure to, if you want me to look at any alts, throw them in the chat. We got some to go through today, but if you want me to check out any alts, we'll definitely go through those as well and keep you guys inspired, updated on where we think. Avalanche looking nasty right now. There's a bunch of things that are not looking good, but it's okay. That's okay. So we have our range, we have our ideas, okay? I believe the golden pocket for this range, did I pull from here to here? I did, and the golden pocket sits above. Okay, so that's the thing too. So from this low to that high, we have a golden pocket a little bit above here, so we can look for a bounce more specifically above the point of control. So we want to make sure we're using good risk management. We know that the weekend volume is coming where it can be a bit choppy and a bit sideways. So with that, we need to be patient. Unless it's like last Sunday. Last Sunday we got a lot of movement, so we got to be patient for that. Red X continuation on the 2-hour. Let's go over to the 1-hour. We got the blood diamond on the 1-hour. Whew. Now this is what I was talking about, that retrace, the test of that value area high. Can it push back or is it going to get rejected, right? We'll watch this stream. We'll watch it to see if it flips it. That could be a possible flip to continuation, right? Because this does look very uptrendy, but we have broken market structure now. We are making lower lows here, right? So we want to see the lows continue, right? You see what I mean? Market structure, baby. Price action. That's where it's at. So let's go into the nitty gritty. Let's go into the 30. Okay, pushing back up. No bull div here. We want to see some sort of bull div here. Okay. What about the 1-hour? Nothing. Okay. 24. Going over there 2-4. So you can see a high here. So possible hidden bullish divergence here. Yeah. Oh, it's tight. You're pushing it there. I wouldn't push that. I ain't trusting that. Money flows crossed over into the red as well on the 24, so that's very indicative of a longer term downside trend here. So we got the level below us here. Make sure to add that to your chart where we can look for a bounce, okay? LFG, 8 watching but only 5 likes. Smash the like button, my friends. Come on, we Otter Gang. First note of business when you get on the stream is smashing that like button. Like, I ain't got to beg. You guys do what you want, man. Help grow the channel. Get it out to more people. Whatever it takes. I got sneeze. Okay, we're back. Ugh, only one, man. Normally I get 2 out of that. So, jumping into the 12. We got the bearish divergence pushing us down. We're getting a little pop back up here, okay? We've taken profit down here. I'm going to pop back up. We could look for this. We could look for this. Okay, let's pull a fib from the top here to the bottom here. You're pushing it there. You're pushing it there. What about the volume here? Let's pull the volume here. So it's mostly centralized around here. Depends if you're scalping or not. Depends. Just a little bit of an area. Possible consideration. Ba-doo. Okay. Forget about that. We're looking for the retest of this and a continuation downwards. Let's go to the 5. Let's see where the VWAP is. Yeah, so same thing. VWAP sitting right around that box that I just drew. So you could look for VWAP re-entry here, where you push back up, bounce off the VWAP, and continue downwards. Right now, we got 20 minutes to market open. ES is pumping. Oh, restore connection, please. ES is dumping. Huh. Okay. Okay. We had a massive move the other day, so look for that continuation. Dixie, on the other hand, had that massive move up. I mean, massive, it's 1%, but it's massive for Dixie, okay? Moving up. Looking for a rejection off this 105 on the Dixie on the long term so that we can see a retracement down. We want to see that. Look at this. Massive, massive, massive push, okay? So we want to see the retracement. And this is where we look for Bitcoin to pump a little on that retracement. But until then, I mean, this is just sheer flying. Nate, quantum divergence. Being invisible would be sick. Good morning. You'd just be grabbing people's seed phrases, wouldn't you? You'd be on the seed phrase hunt. You wouldn't need that, would you? You'd just be floating around with a bag of potato chips. Good to see you, Nate, man. Hope you're doing well, brother. Much love to you. With the wildest charts in all of crypto universe. I mean, let's go find Nate. Let's go find Nate. Let's go find you. Bro, I love you, but like, look at this stuff, man. This is like, I mean, I can read this, but it takes me time. Like ABC correction. Oof. Much love to you guys. Go follow Quantum Divergence. You got your YouTube channel starting up yet or what? What's going on with that, my man? I hope you're doing well, Nate. Keep up the good work. I appreciate you. Legend. Absolute legend. Dropping on the ES here. We could be looking for some dumpage on the SPY when it opens up, which means we could get a move from Bitcoin to the downside, which has happened, okay? So we want to be careful here. Let's see the heat map. Let's see what it's doing. Hidden brilliance inside those charts. There is. There is. Absolutely. Absolutely. Take your time. Pay attention. Yeah, those charts are juicy. See, you got juicy charts here. They like your juicy charts, man. Here you go. Here's some US dollar for you. We're shilling you, Quantum. We're shilling you, man. Rejection of the chooch. Change of character, my friend. Break of structure. Let's do the beautiful smart money concepts. The fibs. I love it, man. I love it. We finding levels. We making money. We all have our ways. Develop your own way. Hope my way. I think my way is pretty simple. I like to keep it simple. I like to keep, Fibonacci golden pockets, retracements, volume profiles, a little bit of VWAP, a little EMA. What's up? Yeah, man. This guy is running around all invisible and shit. Watch out. Good to see you, bro. Hope you have a great weekend and all that fun jazz. Your mama's got juicy charts, says Slam Banjo. Watch out. Dixie is pushing that upper golden pocket. I was looking at this full range. I was like, it's gonna bounce off the 0.5 for sure. So we got the 105 area. if we bring this all the way up to the top here, that 107 is like my last hurrah here for the push, but 105 looks juicy AF. And then we can simply see with me the Dixie. It's so manipulated, in my opinion. It crawls, and then all of a sudden it's at a different level, right? It's broken out of this support. I'm looking for the retest of this support where Bitcoin flies, right? Because it's inverse correlated, my friends. So we're looking for this retracement, which we're not getting. I think a lot of people are looking for that retracement where we can have a pump up, some relief from this, but no money going into risk on assets. People are holding dollars. That's what I get from this, right? But we look to come up to this key level of resistance here. We'll have to wait and see. But yeah, could make it real bloody. You're right. Absolutely. The more dollars people hold in, the less money people are putting into the risk on assets. So we need to be very, very careful. I've cared much more about USO2Y and US 10-year lately than Dixie. The yields, are we talking yields? Whew. You get me all up in it, man. You get me all up in it. O2Y, what are you thinking here? Are you thinking we're going to crash and burn? We're at a key level of resistance. I mean, this looks like it's ready to flop. I mean, all-time highs. Right? And then yeah, it don't look too good, man. USD to Canada. You got to convert that USD when you make the money. You got to make sure you get the best bang for your buck on that Canadian dollar, my friends. Cipher's considering buying US 30s. My God. I have US to Australia. We don't live in Australia anymore. We're getting rid of that. Go away, Australia. I love you, Australia. 10 and 30 hold up, yeah. We'll have to wait and see. My friend. Thank you for being here, bro. I appreciate you. Always giving a good perspective on the charts. He's got a great Discord too. I'm shilling the hell out of you. Go over to his Discord. He's got a good Discord over here. Go and hang out with our friend Quantum Divergence, man. You can come in mine too if you want. We just over here being DJ otters. Look at all these imposters, man. I got imposters. I've made it. Look at these guys. There was one called Henry. His name was Henry below Alex O'Crypto. That was the best. Shout out to you, Henry, for copying me. I appreciate you making me feel popular. Oh, look at these guys. I got moderators around the globe, man. We got open in 12 minutes. 12 minutes we got open. So do we all understand my kind of thoughts on Bitcoin? We're going into the weekend. We're going sideways. We're looking to come back down to this point of control. Acceptance into the range, okay? So that means more downside. Acceptance into this bloody range, okay? The natural sucked up to this point of control. We can see something of a dwindle here, depending on the move today, okay? Depending on the move today. It's Happy Friday. Everybody wants a piece of Alex. Oh man, I'm here to share, man. I'm here. I'm here to share. Bear div here. So right now, I'm gonna be patient. I'm gonna wait until it gets to a key level here in order to make a decision. If we get some sort of bull div, because we got this range here. Right now, I'm not confident in throwing up a long just yet. I might be wrong, but I'd like to see it come back down to the point of control and have a reaction. Or I'd like to see it come back up to the VWAP, this area here, this back up to the VWAP where we can see some sort of rejection here. And maybe I can add to my short that I'm already in. That's kind of my thoughts for the trading plan today. If we do get acceptance above this value area high, that's where we look for the rejection there. Continuation of this downwards pattern, right? Because we've changed market structure here. So it's definitely something I'll be looking for today in order to keep the doctor away. So I hope that helps you guys. We'll keep an eye on Bitcoin as we go through other charts here. So I wanted to look at Ethereum. Ethereum is looking like it's going to get rejected here. We have this downward trend on Ethereum. We also have this channel in Ethereum, okay? We have made a lot of a steeper and bearish pattern here. Where we end here, I don't believe it's going to be here. I believe it could be right here and then a smaller leg down. Some sort of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beautiful pattern, but we'll have to wait and see. But in the short-term time frames with Ethereum, we can see money flow is finally starting to curl up, which is good on the daily, but overall, it's not looking too healthy. It's looking like it's going to get rejected, just like it got rejected here. It's very much in the red, okay? So for me, like, Bitcoin's the only thing that's looking kind of healthy right now. On the other hand, there are some alts like Rune, Caspa. I'm looking for shorts as well. So I ain't looking for a short on Ethereum just yet, but I am looking for a rejection off this trend line. Okay, point of control came in right here, as you can see. So if you are looking at an Ethereum trade, why is this supposed to be orange? We'll be looking for a rejection here and coming back down to this value area low. Otherwise, if we do get a push today, we look for it to flip this to support and push up right back into this value area high. There's not a ton of volume at this level, okay? So when we zoom out, we can see there isn't a ton of volume at this level, okay? We're kind of stuck in between. This is the in-between zone. So if we lose this, right, we come back down into this range down here, and then we drop. We had this 1464. We dropped perfectly down to that just recently, but the market structure still remains. Not feeling the market structure on Ethereum. I'm looking for this. So with Ethereum, no trade right now, but we look for it to get rejected off this point of control and continue to the downside. Just not looking. It's not looking healthy in my opinion. So everyone wants a piece of Alex. You guys are great. Everybody wants to be invisible, man. That's what everybody wants. They all just want to be invisible. Nobody wants the otter swimming abilities. No one wants to be strong. A lot of you want to shoot spaghetti out of your fingertips. My God. Absolute legends. Market opens in 7 minutes, my friends. Thank you guys for smashing the like buttons. We got smashed up like buttons. We got Nate dropping by saying hi. Darren does things. Slam Banjo in the chat. Jeet Corp and his sweet ass apple orchard picking van life doing all that good stuff, man. Thank you guys so much for being here. So no trade on ETH. We'll go over to Rune. Now Rune this is in action right now. Now I haven't taken this trade, so this is not financial advice or anything. But Rune is at a peak, okay? Rune is had a massive push up. This is a massive push up, okay? This ain't no joke. This is 20% here. So we are looking for a possible rejection here on Rune. Okay, so just wanted to keep your eyes on the prize here. Give you some ideas. Could be looking to take this trade, okay? Let's go over the 1 hour. You can see. I would wait for some sort of... See, we came up here. That's even a big move in itself. We got a 2% move here. So, we are at this key level of of resistance. We pushed up, we were back down here. So we could look to recapture some of this push, some of this move back up, at least to this level here. Okay? Which is a nice move, right? Which is a nice move, about 5%. So possibility for a short on Rune. You know, we did have this massive wick here. It's an outlier in my opinion. So we could add some support and resistance here. But right now we're looking for a rejection curl over on Rune. You can see higher highs. We're looking for the momentum waves to curl off here. So what can we see? Yep, red dot on the 4-hour massive move up. What's the daily telling us? Higher high, higher low. Same thing, continuation, middle of the line. Okay. So definitely something to consider if you're looking for a short here. Very overbought. Very overbought. Going over to XRP, my friends. XRP, what's up, Piper? My man, Piper's shouting out loud. What's up, brother? Hope you're doing well. Investment bros on the way. Market's about to open. Piper, I caught the short, man. I caught the short up here. I saw your tag on Twitter. Thanks for tagging me, man. I caught the short from up here. Currently up 60. I took profits at 69% down here. Oh, man. Beautiful short. Wrote it out. 1 take profit, 2 take profit. We're doing all right. Entry is 790. Got that 790 entry. So the trading gods forgave me for not grabbing this wick up here, and they allowed me to get in up here, my man. Thank you so much for dropping in and saying hi, Piper. God bless. Hope you had a safe flight yesterday. Just talking about some possible alt ideas for the weekend. You know, the weekend, that choppy, sideways, boring action. So just some ideas I had floating around here. Taking a look at Rune. Very much overbought. Coming up to key level of resistance. Possible trade setup here. At least down to the middle of this range here. Just some long-term trade in alts. We'll see how it works out. My short was your top horizontal. Let's effing go. That's the one. That's the one. Catching that wick would have been sick. Yeah, I got that 790 entrance, man. I was pretty chuffed with that. That 790 entrance, still sitting on that. 790 right here. That's the one. 69%. I took profit. I didn't even mean to take profit at 69%. It was just my level. That 790 life. That's the one. Look at this rolling over. Retest of the value area high like we talked about. We got 3 minutes here, friends. 3 minutes. So retest of the value area high. Looking to push back down, getting rejected. Okay, yellow X's continuation pattern. We'll have to wait and see what comes of this. But right now, VWAP's reset on the 5-minute. That's a great number. Let's have it go. Let's go, Quantum, man. Let's get it. Let's get it. We make a bank out here, man. It's actually so nice to see some volume, somewhat of some volume come back into BTC. I mean, look at this. We've been blessed by the gods that there is some volume, okay? Some volume. It's not, look at this, man. Look at this. This is what we've been dealing with. This is horrible, man. How do you trade this? Look at the volume here. That's some beasting volume. We ain't got no beautiful. Thanks, Piper. Just bought some ape coin at $1. Was it a good idea? Ooh. He aped into ape. It's early days for aping into ape. We'll take a look at ape for you, my friend. Rejection off the value area high. Rejection off the value area high. Continuation. We opening up soon. S&P. Gap to C down below. We could be coming. Let's see where we open up on the S&P. I'm down here in Kazoom. Enjoying the sun and fun. That's it, man. You deserve it. Enjoy the rest. The sun and the fun, man. Getting back from Australia, I've had enough sun. I'm ready for some snow. If that's crazy, I don't know what to say. It's crazy, isn't it? I'm ready for that snow. It was nice and brisk in the morning yesterday, and I was like, ah. I mean, I got the shirt on today for you guys. We're home. So, and our lovely neighbors to the south, always taking care of us Canadians and beating us in hockey. Oh man, them Vegas nights. And so we opened up lower. Here we go. S&P's opened up lower. Bitcoin, blood diamond on the 5. Okay, S&P's opened up lower. Dixie, is it pumping? We're looking to get this 105 area, key level of resistance on the Dixie. Okay, S&P's opened up lower. Could have pushed back down into this gap down here. We want to see that. Rejected off this trend line here. We'll have to wait and see. But that's interesting. We see we're creating a gap above us. There's one below us. So we could go either way. Kind of cards are in the making here. So we'll have to wait and see. 3 minute. Let's get into the nitty gritty. Get this volume off of our charts. We got some volume, man. That's what it's all about. We got volume. We're happy about that. Push back up here. We got some wickage here on the 3 minute. Is there any kind of bull div? No bull div just yet. But we are definitely getting some exhaustion. You can see that within these wicks in the market structure here. So we'll have to see how it plays out. That could just be the bulls trying to hold this level, realize they got to get back up above the value area high here to continue upwards, right? The view up here creeping in on the 7 minute, but it's going to reset like the 5 just did. Yeah, so we'll see the view up smack back down very shortly here. So trying to get that push back up, that Friday pump, okay? After the Thursday, it wasn't really a Thursday dump, was it? It was like we got into a short. That's not really a dump. That's more like a Thursday, very choppy initially, and then kind of smoothed its way out. More tradable here. The bear div came in. The opportunity was there, okay? So there was an opportunity to re-enter, but it was early in the morning, okay? So got to be prepared for that. Another trade setup I'm looking at is Caspa. Okay, Caspa has pushed. Okay, Caspa has pushed. We had this trade setup given in advance. Okay, and it came right to that level. Okay, I'm not saying that we jumped into this trade right at that level, but Caspa at this 5 cent mark, 5.05, is definitely looking like it could get rejected from up here. We have beautiful highs up here, okay? So we got to protect ourselves. It has pushed, continues to push, but we are hitting resistance, okay? So possible opportunity on Casper for this weekend for a short. We'll wait and see and find out. We are both flagging right now, so you can see it definitely is flaggage, right? Looking to push up. Raul from the top ropes. Oh, man. We watching wrestling? Man, all you guys, you're switching. Invisible's going down. Now we're shooting spaghetti from the fingertips. That's just flying up. Everybody wants that superpower. Oh, man. We're going to start polls like this all the time. These polls are pump or dump. That's what everybody's poll is. Do you want to pump it or do you want to dump it? I want to see what kind of superpowers you guys want, man. What about this? Okay, my favorite superhero is Wolverine. My man. Hugh Jackman. I got Hugh Jackman's autograph on a Wolverine comic book. My mom worked as a nurse on the first X-Men. The original X-Men. Yeah, that's right. My mom's a nurse, but it's pretty cool. Uh-oh. Dave Digital's here. Everybody be on your best behavior. But yeah, I got Hugh Jackman's autographs. Pretty sweet. That scene where he's fighting on top of the Statue of Liberty in Toronto. They actually built the head of the Statue of Liberty on the top, like in a studio. They built the head of the Statue of Liberty, and they did that fight scene where he's fighting Magneto. Wolverine's going at it with Magneto. They did that. They recreated the Statue of Liberty. Oh, I'm nerding out. I'm nerding out all the time. Spaghetti from my fingertips, and meatballs out of. Oh my God. It's probably worth a couple bucks. Yeah, probably, man. Probably. I gotta go and dig it up. I'll dig it up and I'll find it and I can show you guys. It says, "Keep cool, bub." Hugh Jackman. Like bub, like you know how Wolverine says bub? So it's like, yeah, that was pretty sick. Keep it cool, bub. And I was like young. But I'm definitely nerding it up. I got like Batman over here. You guys want to see my old school Batmobile? I got my old school Batmobile here. I don't know if I should show this. It's going to wreck my reputation here. We're pumping up. It's going to wreck the reputation. Or am I going to get more likes from it? I don't know. Let's test it. We got the Batmobile here, okay? Let me pull it over. Can y'all see that? That's the Batmobile, man. Look at this Batmobile. Lost his wheels and Joker did ballet, baby. That's the one. We got the flip up here. And we got the frozen Batman. Yeah, boy. This is, you know why I have this here is because I kept these toys as a kid. I want to give them to my kids one day, but I kept these toys here because when I come down in the morning, I come to my desk and I see my old toys as a kid, I smile. It makes me feel giddy. And that's it. Like, mindset is everything. You come into your space, you want to crush it, you want to do well for my community, for you guys, but like it makes me happy, right? And I can come to the charts with a positive attitude and extract some profits, okay? Yeah, I'm a grown-ass man with a Batman beside me, okay? I'm a grown-ass man with a Batman beside me. But hey, we making profits. We up right now. We're looking for this rejection off the value area high. We are getting a move up, okay? We're getting a move up. Right now it's attempting to crush upwards, okay? VWAP has reset. Value area high, curving to the upside. Let's see. Okay, now all you guys want to be invisible. Can we get a rejection here? I might add to my short if we get up to this VWAP here at this 26,505. I might add to it. Making me share Batman toys. 5 minutes snap, 7 minutes, 7 seconds. Are we gonna watch it? Is it gonna snap? Let's see. Yeah, it snapped. See the VWAP snap down. So the VWAP is resetting on the time frames as we speak, which is cool to see. Rejection off the value area high. S&P continues to fall a bit, but the Dixie is also falling. No, not too bad. So yeah, Casper trade setup. Might want to consider it. Here's your level. Here's your trend line, looking to come back to that trend line. Rejection off of this all-time high. Okay, where we look for it to come back down to the trend line, keeping us held up. Okay, because every time it's peaked, it's come back down to the trend line. Okay, so we can look for something like that, something to keep on the radar. Now XRP. Whew. Now the levels have been respected on XRP, which is pretty cool. It's been trading nice. Okay, it's come down. It's put in this low, but it's actually come back up to a key level of resistance, looking for the rejection. Perfect rejection back down to this uptrend on XRP. XRP right now is just holding on for dear life. But what the thing I notice with XRP is when I zoom out on XRP, we have totally lost this entire move. Okay, that's upsetting because of the big huge win. But we are holding this volume profile over here, okay? So very good to see that it's actually holding within this range, and we can look to trade it, okay? So with XRP, yes, it's come up to the middle of this range, but it's been rejected. So we look for this to hold for now. Hexplosive Gains. Good to see you, man. Never seen you here. Welcome, man. Thank you so much for being here. Trying to just entertain, have some fun, but also give you guys the goods. Give you guys the goods, whatever the goods are. I've always wondered what the goods are. Give us the goods. What are the goods, man? You know what's good? This community is pretty good. Thank you for being here, my friend. Thank you for joining us today on the live stream. Just trying to get you guys. We're here Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. I mean, come on, we're competing with Gareth Soloway and Investment Bros. All these guys, you know, legends, but we're here to build a healthy, happy, kind community, giving everything away for free. That's how we roll, man. We make the bank from trading. That's how we make the bank. Look at this, push up. Ooh, here we go. Oh. Can we add? Should we add? Yes or no? Ooh, push up. See? Bitcoin flying now. Gonna get rejected off VWAP. What's the bet? Rejection. No? Oof. Oh, rejection. That's like trying to dunk on Shaq, man. You just got Shaq attacked. Look at that. Rejection off the VWAP, man. Get out of here. Go home. Look at that rejection, man. Not in my house. See, you should have added to the short there, right? I'm not fast enough, my friends. Not fast enough. Given in advance. I mean, it's not financial advice, so I can't say take this trade. We're pushing though. We could push past this, right? We're pushing. That's good. It's good to see the TA works, right? Fex or Pidai? That's my poll. Fex or Pidai? PDAI. Hex or die? I love when TA works, man, like this. It's just like magic, you know? It's magic. It just came up to golden pocket area, key level of support, right? Volume profile. Pull the volume profile. See the beautiful little spike here? But hey, we're pushing up now. We could continue upwards, okay? We could continue upwards. We need to be prepared for anything. Why is this one red? Rejection. I see something going on here with something like this. Okay, this is what I see here. We got the high, we got the low, we got the. So we're looking for this, which we might have just gotten, and a continuation down to the point of control. But this value area high is very important. Okay, if we continue to ride above here, I see more upside for us. I see more upside. Reversal. By golly gee. There's your trade setup of the day. By golly gee. This is great. This is great. What part of Canada are you from? I'm from Okanagan, man. Okanagan. I'm from Toronto, my friend. Born and raised in the city, man. From Toronto. Okanagan's beautiful, man. Okanagan's awesome. Canada's beautiful. We just got back from Australia. Lived there for a year. Lived in the UK for 2 years. Oh, you're in Vernon, right? Meow. Meow. I'm going to have to give you a ticket, meow. Meow, do you know how fast you were going, meow? Do I look like I drink milk from a saucer, meow? When the TA works, right? This is beautiful. Look at the rejection. Look at the rejection, man. We'll come back to you, Bitcoin. Looking at some more trades here. We're looking at OP 143, looking for a rejection on OP, okay? This is something else we're looking at. I got to make sure to save these and send them into our Discord. Push up here. Rejection. Possible come back down into the range. Okay, we're looking for things to get rejected and come back down to the range. There's kind of a growing trend here. Come back down to this point of control, okay? Until we see that. I'm a Leafs fan. I was born in Toronto. That's the way. We got Matthews for another 4 years. We got to sign William Nylander, but we'll see how it goes, man. I'm a big Leafs fan as well. You're at the right place, Explosion. I will look at Hex. Yes, I will. Stop yelling. I'm not yelling. You're yelling. Which one are we going on here? Which one do you want? We'll go to MEXC. I'm going to assume you're trading on MEXC. By golly gee. The DGen Hex coin. Top down. Let's do the top down on Hex. Heximus Maximus. Decimus Murilius. Whatever the heck you want to call it. Ooh-wee. This is what I see is simply to be coming up to the point of control. Sorry. We can make some good anime music. Is that the one? We're talking about the Maple Leafs here, okay? Go Leafs, go. Hopefully we're better this year. We got some bruisers this year. We're gonna do some damage though, man. We got Ryan Reeves, we got Max Domi, we got Tyler Bertuzzi, man. These guys are rough and tough villains, man. These guys play hockey with an attitude, okay? These guys are fire starters, okay? This guy's a monster. He just punishes people for fun, okay? Okay. Okay, we got to turn the volume down on this thing. How do I turn the volume down? This is the guy we just signed. Okay, Hockey 101. Keep your head up, okay? You want to play hockey? This guy's nasty. Watch this guy. Nasty. Boom. All right? Keep your head up, bro. Keep your head up. Boom. This is a guy right here. We signed. This guy. Look at this. Nasty, man. Just big nasty. Oof. Oof. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Oh. We're not promoting violence. This is hockey, baby. This is hockey. I couldn't resist, okay? I couldn't resist. This is good. Let's go. Okay. Sorry. Hockey called, man. Hockey called. Welcome explosive gains. Oh, man. All right. Well, Hex looks like it wants to come up to this point of control. Let's drop this a little bit lower here. I mean, this is degen AF, but look at the move to the upside. We had lots of FUD, okay? Lots of FUD down here. Can we get a move up? Looks like it's pushing, in my opinion. We have some key levels of resistance where we want to see Hex climb the ladder and get back into at least this area here where it was trending sideways. So right now we're looking for Hex to get above this line right here. Massive push to the upside recently here. But overall, Hex is just looking Wicky. John Wicky, okay? But push, bull, flag, push. So right now, very quick attack. Weekend volume, right? So we look for continuation sideways, push. Continuation sideways, push. But overall, Hex is looking bullish, man. It is making higher highs. So it is looking to push higher up if you're looking to trade this. But it needs to hold this level here. And it wants to get above here as well. So there's some levels to be traded on Hex, but right now it's pushing. It's pushing up, which is good. If you hold Hex, if you believe in Hex, if you want some Hex, for me this just looks like garbage, okay? This looks like complete downwards dog crap. But I'm okay to be wrong. It's not what it looks like. It's what's inside. But yeah, some key levels. Needs to get above there. Really, it wants to get up to this 004 area, 0038 area, in order to kind of change the trend here, right? It needs to start making higher highs. So we want to see a breakout of this downtrend, flip it to support, and continue upwards. Other than that, we look for rejection. Trend is your friend. All-Star game in Toronto this year and Stanley Cup in the spring. We can't front run that cup. We haven't won since '67, but we'll pray. We'll pray, my friend. We'll pray. We'll pray for the Leafs this year. Look at this beautiful rejection. Trade setup given. Trying to push back up, okay? The Dixie's got some room to the upside, which means downside for Bitcoin. And then looking for this little gap to be filled. And then we got another gap above us, okay, on the S&P. So we got two gaps. Maybe we come down, fill this gap just now, which means downside for Bitcoin, and then come back up and fill this for the afternoon. That's something to consider. But overall, we're looking at Bitcoin here, and we've gotten the bearish divergence across the board where we're looking for the continuation to the downside. Okay. Rolled over, retest, continues back down. Okay. As long as it doesn't start trading above this value area high, I still remain in the downside container. Okay. 26,450 is your level. This trade setup was given. If we do pop back up, same level, same noise, we look for another bearish divergence and a continuation downwards, okay? Just kind of my thoughts on the markets for today. Hope that gets to you guys well. It's 9:54. If there's anything else you would like me to look at, now is your chance. But we're looking for a short on OP. We're looking for a short on Casper and on Rune. And not so much XRP. Definitely be sharing those. Join us in the free Discord. Link is in the description below. We'll share these right now. And get those out to the gang. Join us in the free Discord. Quantum Divergence. Sharing all his goods with us. We got people winning. Ace winning with the scalp long here. Quantum Divergence sharing his charts. Thank you so much for being part of this community. Go check him out over in the Discord. Great group of traders here. Great group of guys. Nothing but love. Nothing but respect. So if you want to hang out with us, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm going to go and have some breakfast with Mrs. Otter. So thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. In Sniper's Nightmares van. Sniper's Nightmare. We miss you, my friend. He's up here. He's building van life. He's building van life. This is him right now. He's making the trades. That's my Etch-a-Sketch drawing. We'll go back. This is the trading room of disaster. Master of disaster. Thank you guys so much for being here. Much love to every single one of you. I'll be in the Discord. I'll keep you updated. Have a great weekend. Much love. God bless. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.